The right to remain silent.
Diba? Ka. Yan, dito kay Aaron na.
No.
It's like Aaron eh.
You
No.
are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
What's your new toy?
Basta ka malingisiga ni sa ano. Okay, wala nag-light oh.
Uba na.
No?
You are under your.
Yeah, get on here.
Dapat duha ang light ani.
One light in there, one light. One light in bed. Something like
Are you happy with your new toy?
yeah,
Where did you buy your new toy?
in the mall. How about my copy?
What your Shopee? I will cancel your Shopee.
No.
Agang